Diabetes mellitus, a silent disease that affects millions. Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're talking about something extremely important, something that affects families, communities, and millions of lives around the world. Today's topic is diabetes mellitus. You may have heard this word before. Maybe a family member has it, maybe a friend, or maybe you are living with it yourself. Diabetes is not just a disease, it is a global health challenge. What is diabetes mellitus? Diabetes mellitus is a chronic metabolic disorder, a condition where the body cannot properly control the level of sugar, also known as glucose, in the blood. Glucose is not your enemy. In fact, it is one of the main sources of energy for the human body. But the problem begins when glucose stays in the blood instead of entering the cells where it is needed. This happens because of a hormone called insulin. Insulin is produced by the pancreas, and it works like a key, opening the doors of the cells so glucose can enter. In diabetes, this key does not work properly, or sometimes it is not produced at all. Types of diabetes. There are 3 main types of diabetes. Let's talk about them one by one. Type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes usually begins in childhood or early adulthood. In this type, the immune system attacks the pancreas by mistake. As a result, the body produces little or no insulin at all. People with type 1 diabetes must take insulin every day to survive. This type is not caused by lifestyle, it cannot be prevented, and it is not contagious. Type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is the most common form. It usually develops in adults, but today, even children and teenagers are affected. In type 2 diabetes, the body still produces insulin, but it does not use it effectively. This condition is called insulin resistance. Type 2 diabetes is strongly linked to unhealthy diet, lack of physical activity, overweight and obesity, and chronic stress. The good news? Type 2 diabetes can often be prevented and in many cases controlled or even reversed with lifestyle changes. Gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes occurs during pregnancy. It usually disappears after childbirth, but it increases the risk of type 2 diabetes later in life for both the mother and the child. Common symptoms of diabetes. Diabetes often develops silently, but there are warning signs, and your body always tries to speak to you. Common symptoms include